Welcome to Australian Muscle Car Sales TV. I'm going to do another quick walk around to show you some of the new cars that have come into the showroom. I might be stuck here for a while because I'm a bit in love with this Track Red XY GT that's just come in. Genuine car, and it is a beauty. Original number plates. This car has been in the current ownership for over 30 years, and it is factory Track Red black trim, unrestored car, and T-bar auto, and wait till you see factory roof. Look at that. How good is that? Just love these things. Look at that, all original trim. Got a couple of cracks in it, but what a beauty. All original trim. Look at that. How good is that? Okay, and then we've just got in as well a GT Cobra. Really beautiful car, very low kilometre car. That will be on the website shortly as well. That is also an auto, and yeah, very nice. Build number 163, and this one's done 13,001 kilometres. Boss 302. And also just come in a beautiful VC Brock, build number 157 of the 500 that Brocky built. And this one's a manual, white, and very nice car, under 80,000 kilometre car. It's a beauty, isn't it? And then we have a totally unrestored Calypso Green XA GT, and also coming to the market. Really a spectacular car. Original paint, look at that. Original paint, original trim, books. Look at this manual car, 8-track, air conditioning. That's a beauty. And yeah, we're into the greens at the moment. Spitfire Green GTSR. Look at this. What a beast this is. GTSR Spitfire Green. Look at the brakes on this thing. Look at them. Massive. No, over. Beautiful car. This has only done 17,000 Ks. This one's coming on to the market as well. And another unbelievable one, Monaro. Look at this. One owner from new, and this car has done, like, it is absolutely like brand new. Don't know if you can see that. 13,000 kilometres. Look at this, like brand new leather. Incredible. 6-speed manual. 04. That's an 04 Monaro. And this beautiful car, which I featured last week, that has sold. Very happy customer, I think, and new owner. So that sold very quickly. I showed you the that will be coming to the market too, the Group 3. This one you have to be paying attention on this one. This is under 130,000, 8 kilometres on the clock. HSV Motorsport, Holden Motorsport, not HSV. And this Sprint, that's been sold, so that's just about to leave. And what else? There's the back of the Brocky. Oh, it's one of my favourite. I've had a few Brockies, so that's one of my favourite cars. Look at that, Mortimer Ford Select air conditioning. Look at that, Mildura. And there you go, over to the Spitfire Green. This one's got the Walkinshaw 557 kit on it. That's a beast. There you go. Some of the new cars that have come in, but I'll just go back to this magnificent track red XY GT. I'd have to be forgiven. Kind of my favourite car that's come in this week. But that is absolutely spectacular. Anyway, we'll have these on the website soon, and if you have any questions on any of these cars, please feel free to call us at Australian Muscle Car Sales, and thank you very much for watching.